Yeah, yeah. From the islands to the stars above, this one's for you, my love. It's your boy Rocks in the mix. It's your boy Rocks in the mix. The shoreline, sunset in your eyes, golden spin glowing under island skies. Barefoot on the sand, slow jam in the breeze, heart beating reggae with the sound of the seas. You laugh like the ocean, free and wild. In that moment, girl, you stole my smile. From the first bula to the last goodbye, I knew right then you were my type. No matter where the wind may blow, from reef to reef, you should know. Even when the distance grows, my heart will always follow. I love you across the tide, across the moon, across the night, from Fiji shores to the Polynesian sky. Girl, you and me, we're island wide. If the world tries to pull us apart, I'll sail back home to your heart. I love you across the tide, forever you'll be mine. When you sail away, I feel you in the rain. Every way, the whispering your name. I hold your words close like a sacred song, even when the nights feel long. I see your face in the rising sun, every breath say you're the one. No matter the miles, no matter the time, your heart beats steady next to mine. If the ocean tries to test our love, I'll wait right here, I won't give up. Across the seas, across the years, I feel you near. I love you across the tide, across the moon, across the night, from Fiji shores to the Polynesian sky. You and me, we're island wide. Let the whole Pacific know our name. One love, one heart, one flame. I love you across the tide, forever you'll be mine. If I'm last out on the open sea, your love is home to me. The web is home to me. If I'm lost out on the open sea, your love is home to me. I love you across the tide, across the moon, across the night. I love you across the tide, from the islands to the ends of the sea. Your love is home to me. It's your boy Rob. It's your boy Rocks in the mix. From the islands to the ends of the sea, your love is home.